I have very fair skin, which you might guess means that I can get sunburned very easily. That's a good guess because it's true. Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth to share with you a recipe that will help your skin repair itself after a day spent in the sun. For this recipe, you will need a 2-ounce bottle or container. A spray bottle is nice for this, but any container will work. 3 tablespoons of liquid aloe vera, 20 drops of head soothing essential oil blend, 10 drops of Palmarosa essential oil, and a 1/4 cup of distilled water. To make this recipe, I'm going to dilute my essential oils in the aloe vera. I'm now going to add this to my container. Pro tip for you subscribers, use the container your liquid aloe vera came in to help reduce, reuse, and recycle. Pro tip number 2, use a funnel. Then I'm going to fill it up the rest of the way with distilled water. To use, I'm going to shake it and apply it to sunburned areas to help repair my skin, reduce inflammation, and recover from that sun. To get everything you need and more for this recipe, subscribe to our Simply Earth recipe box, which has your head soothing blend, Palmarosa essential oil, aloe vera, plus 2 more full-size essential oils and 5 more great natural recipes to make your summer more natural. And don't wait, because when you subscribe, we'll throw in our big bonus box, which has things like carrier oils, beeswax, and containers to hold your recipes. Go and make your home more natural.